Hi everybody, it's me Camila Rose and I'm back again for another budgeting video. This time we are going to be doing the budget for our second paycheck for the month of July. As you see, we've got some money laid out because we've got some money we've got to put in places. We got some things to do and take care of. So if you enjoy watching videos about designing a life that you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in just a minute because we got some numbers to move around. We got some changes to make for this budget, so it might take a little while. Stick around, I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, here we go. Now, I don't remember what the paycheck date is. I know the amount that we get is, that's just the microphone, is 1688, I believe. And let's get our numbers rolling. We gotta fill out everything. So first, envelopes is always 300. 300 for the envelopes, and then we have charter gets $80. Geico gets $180. T-Mobile gets $160. And I think that's an estimate, so we'll see how that goes. Gym gets 11. Netflix gets 16. Metro, finally I'm doing it, putting the 20 into a sinking fund, and then we're gonna knock that one off the list. Travel gets 25. Business gets, it's 85, which is actually only 55 because one of them gets transferred to an account, but it's 85 total. House, we're just gonna put house down because I'm gonna have to work out what that one's gonna be. Debt, so additional debt payment gets 164 for sure. And then cushion gets 10. And then school loans gets 40. Gets 40. Okay. So we have two more. We got a little Macy's bill we're gonna have to pay for a couple of months, and we've got my Visa bill we're gonna have to pay for a couple of months. So we're gonna put 50 for each one of those. And then I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I feel like there was something else that I was like, oh, I'm gonna need to put that over to the side for that. But I really, I don't see anything, and I don't have any notes for anything. So we will put in though. No, we'll leave it. We'll leave it the way it is. Okay. So let's add up how much that is, and then let's see how much we have left over to go towards the house. How about that? I think that that's everything. Let's get this added up. Okay, so we have 300 plus 80 plus 180 plus 160 plus 11 plus 16 plus 20 plus 25 plus 85 plus 164 plus, actually we're gonna make the Visa 100. Let's just go ahead and make that 100. Okay. Plus 164 plus, oops, 10 plus 40 plus 50 plus 100 equals 1241. Expenses. Okay, hold on. I'll just put that here. 1241, and that is 1688 minus 1241, 447. I feel like I'm missing something. Aren't I missing something, y'all? I'll redo the math because I want to make sure. Oh, okay. Here's something. Here's what it is. Okay. I was like, no, there has to be something else. Okay. Well, no overtime. So that means that taxes, hair, and school loan extra payment. So I guess we'll do THS. That one is 80. And then I think that was the thing that we were missing for sure. Okay, so let's re-add them up. Unless it's still in there. Oh, I have it in here. Hold on. Clear. Okay, clear. 1241 plus 80. 1321. Okay. 1688 minus 1321 is 367. Okay. That's not bad, right? Let me make sure that's everything. Did I not do savings? That's what I'm missing. I was like, that is a lot of money left over. Okay. 167. Okay. Okay. Plus 167, which is 1488. Okay. 1488 minus, oopsie. Let's see, 16. Okay, so that leaves me with exactly 200. Ooh, I think that's perfect. We're gonna stop there. Okay, 200 left over. Now I'm pretty sure that's everything. We have envelopes, Charter, Geico, T-Mobile, Gym, Netflix, Metro, travel, business, house, debt. We put in savings now. Cushion, school loans, Macy's, Visa, THS, and okay, yeah, that's everything. All right, so total expense is 1688. Woo, we did it. All right, that really wasn't that bad. I thought it was gonna be much worse. Okay, so now we have a little bit of cash stuffing, not too much, so we should be able to knock this out pretty quickly. And I suppose I'll do this in a separate video, so I will see you all in just a little bit. If you like this video, go ahead and hit subscribe. I'll catch you in a minute for some cash stuffing. Bye-bye.